Hi there guys, this is LRC17 Suede and Nubuck Protector. Perfect for protecting all suede items and nubuck items. So works great on things like nubuck footwear and things like that as well, or suede jackets, suede steering wheel, suede interiors, that sort of thing. Anywhere you've got suede or nubuck, this protector will work perfectly to protect it from the elements and give it like a waterproof protection as well, and help stop sort of stains and dirt getting in to the actual suede or the nubuck material. Very, very simple product to use is LRC17. On the top of the bottle here, just here, you've got this little black thing here that you can see. Just there, in that position, the trigger is clearly locked, which is how we put them for transportation. Move that either to the left or to the right, like so, and the trigger is open, ready to use. So obviously applying, you need to make sure before applying the LRC17 Suede and Nubuck Protector that your suede or nubuck is fully cleaned properly so that there are no stains or dirt on the surface or within the structure of the leather item itself. So spray on, give it a little bit of a shake first of all, and then just simply spray on like so. Just liberally spray on and allow that to dry. And once that's dried, you can then apply additional coatings. You just simply spray on like so. Got to make sure that you fully protect it in different directions. And what we would do is, once that's dry, we would then get like a soft brush, because obviously because of the nap that you've got on the material here where it's been sanded, obviously you've got fibres that could be sticking sort of this way. So what you need to do is to get like a brush, and where the fibres are sticking this way, you need to move the fibres once it's dry and brush them back the other way, like so. So once you've brushed all the fibres back the other way, like that, you can then apply an additional coating. If you can imagine that's dry, you would then go over and apply an additional coating once again. And then what you're going to need to do is, once that's dry, you would then brush the fibres this way. The purpose for doing this is to ensure that you get every section of the fibre coated with the material, and you just simply spray on again, like so. I'm roughly keeping about, I don't know, 8 inches away, 9 inches away, something like that, and you just simply spray on the surface and allow that to naturally dry out, and that will dry out naturally like it is here, and you've got a perfectly good waterproof leather item using LRC17 Suede Nubuck Protector Spray.